What if charging your Samsung to 100% every night is actually making your battery age faster? Most of us plug in our Galaxy before bed and leave it charging until morning. But when your battery reaches 100% and stays at a very high charge for hours, that can put additional stress on the battery over time. Luckily, Samsung has a built-in setting designed to help, and you don't need to download an app or change the way you use your phone during the day. You just need to choose the right battery protection option. Let me show you where it is. First, open settings on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap battery. Now look for battery protection and tap it. Depending on your Galaxy model and One UI version, you'll see different battery protection options. These control how your phone charges and can reduce the amount of time your battery spends sitting fully charged. This is especially useful if you normally leave your Samsung connected to the charger overnight. You may get slightly less battery available when you unplug your phone, depending on the protection mode you choose. But the trade-off is reducing battery stress and helping preserve battery health over the long term. So don't think of battery protection as a setting that magically gives you more battery today. Its real purpose is helping your battery age better over months and years. Try battery protection tonight and tell me in the comments which mode you are using. And if your Samsung battery is already draining too fast, watch my next battery drain video because I'll show you another hidden setting you should check.